the iconic home of the Astors. A magnet for connoisseurs of glamour and sophistication. Found at the most desirable addresses, St. Regis Residences bring the vanguard spirit of 55th and 5th to the world. Here gather luminaries and independent thinkers, titans of culture and commerce who find in the St. Regis a bastion of taste and refinement. A place that honors its legacy and heritage. And revels in traditions old and new. Afternoon tea. Champagne toasts. Lavish midnight suppers. As well as new traditions. St. Regis Residences elevate today's service to new heights. Modern luxury with warmth and unstinting attention to detail. It's an invitation to a world of refinement. Where the doers and darers of tomorrow belong. Where every day is a chance to live exquisite.
Elite Ocean View Realty